up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be checking out the i500 TWS from AliExpress. Now before I unbox the i500 TWS, I just want to say that on AliExpress there's so many sellers that sell the same product with the same name, but sometimes they're actually a different product with the same name. That being said, once you buy them, they might be a different quality. They might be cheaper or better. Packaging might be different. You guys can get these on aliexpress.com. Simply type in the i500 TWS, or you can go on the App Store and download the app. So in the last video, I've unboxed the i200 TWS and I'm giving away one of these. So if you guys are interested, make sure to go check it out, the video down below description. But right now, let's check out the i500 TWS. Really great packaging. I've actually ordered the white one instead of the black one because I prefer the white version. So in the box, you will have a little cardboard. Simply lift this up. Inside the box, we will have the AirPods. In the box, you will have the lightning cable to charge the AirPods clone. Other than that, in the box, you will have a QC pass and the user manual in English and in Chinese. But let's check out the AirPods. Like a little plastic, you can simply remove it. And as you can see, we've got the AirPods second generation, the LED in the front, and on the back we've got the button and the hinge. Unfortunately, we do not have any writings on it, considering it's only $19 USD. The i500 TWS is advertised to last around 3 hours per charge, and the case will allow you to charge the earbuds for 3 to 4 times. It has Bluetooth 5.0. It has the H1 chip inside the AirPods. That being said, you will have the pop-up feature just like the original ones. Wireless charging also works on these $19 USD AirPods. So I got wireless charging pad right here, and also the AirPods 2 clone, the i500 TWS. And right now I'm going to test out the wireless charging capability. Just like they say, it should work. And then as you can see, the light lights up, the LED is red. So as you can see, it does actually work. So right now, let's check out the pop-up feature. Currently running on the latest version of iOS 13 on my iPad. Let's lift up the cover. And then as you can see, we've got the pop-up. Simply tap on connect and hold the back button of the AirPods. And as you can see, it's currently connecting. And there you go. We've got the real battery of the AirPods and also the AirPods case. Currently 77%. Let's see how fast it connects to the iPad. So let's lift up the cover. And then as you can see, about 2 seconds later, it connects to the iPad right away. So it connects quite fast, as you can see. Let's do it once again. Let's lift up the cover. And then as you can see, after around 2 seconds, it is connected to the iPad. So let's take them out. So here we've got the AirPods. Looks really similar to the original ones. Here is the bottom of the AirPods. So we got the AirPods right here. Let's test out the touch control. So double tap to pause the music, 1, 2. And then as you can see, it does stop. Tap twice again to play the music. You can triple tap to switch to the next song. And as you can see, it works. Once again, 1, 2, 3. And a switch to the next song. Now on the left earbuds, it works the same way. Double tap to pause the song, and double tap once again to play music. Triple tap on the left side to go to the previous music. So 1, 2, 3. Then as you can see, it goes 1, 2, 3 once again. And then as you can see, it does work. Right now, I'll be testing the ear sensors and I'll see if it works or not. So I'm gonna put in my ears. And I'm gonna simply remove one side of the ear. And as you can see, the music does not stop. Let's remove the other side. And it does not work. So ear sensors does not work. Comparing the i500 TWS to the i200, TWS that I unboxed on the last video. I've got to say that the i200 are way better considering for the weight. The weight of the i200 TWS are way better than the i500 TWS, and the plastic feels better. It has a stronger build quality. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did enjoy, make sure to give it a big thumbs up to this video and subscribe to the channel to see more unboxings and tech videos. But I will be giving away one of these i500 TWS for one of you guys, so make sure to like this video, comment below your Instagram account, and once this video hits 1,000 likes, I will be announcing the winner. And also, once again, I have a giveaway for the i200 TWS on the other video, so go like both videos if you want to get a chance to win one of these two AirPods. Once again, all the links will be down below in the description. Hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.
SUP.